50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hearst, Farmers Branch, Watauga, Colleyville, Saginaw, Richland Hills, Cockrell Hill, North Richland Hills, and Blue Mound. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35W between mile markers 53 and 61. Interstate 35E between mile markers 433 and 439. Interstate 30 between mile markers 20 and 41. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas.
Thanks for watching and goodbye. Like, subscribe, and share.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County and northwestern Dallas County until 7 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over Halton City, moving due east at 20 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. That particular storm has crossed over the National Weather Service forecast office in North Fort Worth, reported 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts with that storm. So a new severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant and northwestern Dallas County until 7 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
What's down bouncing around?
Sorry, thanks for watching and goodbye.
Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ellis County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Midlothian, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Wilmer, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Combine, Oakleaf, and Pecan Hill. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35E between mile markers 401 and 413. Interstate 45 between mile markers 256 and 269. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast.